I've got 4 powerful business tools you can purchase one time and never have to pay for again. If you create video content, then this tool you've got to check out because you'll never have to pay for Opus Clips or Submagic again. This tool is called Minvo, and you can create shorts from long-form videos or add captions to your videos. Now currently you can buy a lifetime deal on this tool from AppSumo, and we can see that it has 43 reviews currently, and you can get the basic tier for $59. So with Minvo, when you log in, you can click on add video, and then you can either make shorts from a video or caption a short and then upload a video. I'm just going to upload one of my shorts that I need captioned. Here it's giving us some options that would be applicable if we're doing a long form video that we need to make into shorts, but since we're just adding captions to a short, I'm just going to click on create shorts. So right now it's just analyzing the short, so it's just going to take a minute for us to get that. I'm going to go back to the videos, and I'm also going to make shorts from a video, and I'm going to upload one of my long form videos to see if it's able to turn it into shorts as well. One of the other nice features of Minvo is that we can also just import a URL. So maybe there's somebody else's video that we want to cut up into shorts. We could just copy that URL and paste it into Minvo as well. Here's where this section is a lot more applicable. So we can have moment durations. So if we want a section to be between 30 and 60 seconds or a minute plus, we can do that. If we want to add any AI instructions as well, we could include that. Some additional preferences include magic frame, so auto frame the camera on the speaker, magic moshis, add emojis relevant to the moment, magic media, add B-roll relevant to the moment, and then magic cut, which is auto cut filler words and silences. I'm going to leave everything blank as is because this is already an edited video. We can also select whatever language we want the captions to be in. I'm just going to select English and then click on create shorts. While that's going on in the background, we'll go back and then I'll click on the short that we want to caption. One of the interesting features with Minvo is that they have an AI that you can chat with. So for this specific short that we have created, we can do things like create titles, YouTube descriptions, podcast show notes, or timestamps. I'm going to click on write a promo post for social media just to see what happens. So based on the short that we uploaded, it read the transcript, and then this is what it has come up with for this particular video. I'm going to say create the video announcement for a tweet. Now it has a short caption for this video. One of the things that I'm noticing is that it has a typo with CMOS supplements, so we're going to click on transcript, and this is where we can actually trim the video based on the transcript. So if we wanted to delete anything from the video, we could do that, but I just want to edit the transcript, so I'm going to click on continue to editor, and then I'm going to click on this section called fix typos, and then I can go in and then modify this transcript. So I'm just going through and I'm just going to correct all these typos.
If you use CMOS, you need to stop immediately.
We can also add music directly from here, so if we wanted to edit the short within Minvo, we could do that as well. We can change the landscape for this video, let's say for YouTube or for LinkedIn. Since I just need to caption the video, I'm leaving everything as is. This is a pretty cool feature. If you like uploading your videos directly from your phone, you can click on SMS to phone and then enter in your phone number and then receive a text message where you can download the video. So if you do have a short and then you're going to upload it to TikTok, you can just send it directly to you, which is just very convenient. We could download it directly from here, or we could also connect our social media accounts and then post directly from the Minvo app. Going back, it looks like our video is uploaded. I'm going to click on my video to see how it did. Creating content and managing social media. Well, if you go to a site like Fiverr, which is like the Amazon for online jobs, so similar to Opus Clips, it's going through and giving us what it believes to be some of the best snippets from the video. If you write blogs and want to rank in SEO, then this next tool is perfect for you. After pouring time and energy into creating a blog, trying to figure out how to boost its SEO ranking is typically the last thing that you want to do. Well, Neuron Writer is an AI-powered writing tool that can analyze the competition and help you write SEO-ranked content automatically. This tool is called Neuron Writer, and what it does is optimize your website content so that way you can rank in SEO. It's a tool that's able to analyze keywords and show you what keywords are ranked in Google, and then it can add those relevant keywords into your article. That way it can help you rank in search. And you can pick this lifetime deal up on AppSumo, $89. It's got 719 reviews, and it is a 5-star or 5 tacos. It's also got the award for the 2023 Tool of the Year from AppSumo. So with Neuron Writer, some of the key features is that it can help you rank content within Google. You can also draft and come up with the article structure. You can optimize your content because it'll give you a rank score on how well your content could potentially do in Google search. Within Neuron Writer, you can use it to be able to come up with ideas for your articles, and then it can also write the articles for you. So this is really an all-in-one SEO article writing tool. So when you log into Neuron Writer, what you're going to do is create a new project. I already have one created. And then within this project, this is where you're going to be putting your specific articles. So one of the articles that I wanted to write was how to start a car detailing business. So if I click on that article, it'll give me all of the different articles that are currently ranked at the top of Google for that specific keyword, which is how to start a car detailing business. So whenever somebody types that into Google, these are going to be the top articles that are showing, as well as the ranks. Now what I can do is I can select whatever articles I want to kind of base my article on. So I'm just going to select, let's say, all of these ones, and then we're going to click on next. Now we have a blank page that we could either input a blog that we've already written, or we can start to create our blogs directly from Neuron Writer from scratch. So if we click on outline, it's going to give us some ideas for an outline that we could do, and it's basing that on the articles that are the top ranked in Google. So for example, the top article in Google is how to start a car detailing business. We could have our H1 heading be how to start a car detailing business step by step. And just like that, our score went up from 0 to 14 points. That means we are heading in the right direction. It's giving us the idea for our H2 heading, 8 steps to open a car detailing business. So this is going to be an 8-step article. And then we can just go through, and then step 1, gain experience. And then let's say step 2 is write a business plan. Step 3 is choose a business entity. Step 4 is get your business license. 5, purchase. And I'm just going to go through and select all of these steps for our H3 headings. So now we have the outline for our article, and then I'm just going to click on AI writing. When we click on expand text, it's going to say what's the input text. So for the input text, I'm going to say I am writing an article about the 8 steps to opening a car detailing business. These are the steps. Expound on number 1. So it gave us that info. I'm just going to copy that though, and then go up to where it says gain experience. And then we're going to paste this in, put that as normal again. Now we could do this expand text from within Neuron Writer, or we could just be doing this from ChatGPT and then sending it over and pasting it into Neuron Writer. When I go back to the term section, it's showing us a bunch of keywords that we could include to increase our score. What I'm just going to do is I'm going to copy this list of terms. I'm going to go to ChatGPT, paste those terms in there. And then at the top of this prompt, I'm just going to copy this title, say I am writing this article about 8 steps to open a car detailing business. Write me step 2, which is write a business plan and include some of these keywords. So if we like what ChatGPT gave us, we can just go back and then paste this into Neuron Writer. And then you can see that it's highlighted a bunch of the keywords that we were looking to include, and our score has increased significantly as well. If you're an entrepreneur that loves productivity, then keep watching. Do you ever feel overwhelmed with data in different places? Maybe you've got a Google Sheet with some contacts, appointment information in Calendly, and a conversation happening in Gmail. Well, Boostspace lets you centralize all your data into one place and synchronize the information between all your apps. So you can kind of think of it as if Zapier and a CRM had a baby, and this is what they came out with. So some popular use cases that Boostspace says would be things like optimizing your order processing by syncing your e-commerce and accounting, consolidating invoices by streamlining your billing management, or consolidating orders, bridging your online sales. They have a bunch of different flows that you can choose from that are pre-built, things in sales, commerce, finance, marketing, and operations. So right now you can get a lifetime deal of this tool on AppSumo for $59, and it's got 81 reviews currently. So when you're going through and setting up your Boostspace account, it's going to prompt you for what type of things do you want to sync into this one centralized database. So if you're more on the commerce side, you can do things like orders. In my case, I'm going to be just uploading a lot of my different contacts across all of my different channels. But these are some of the ones that they recommend, but they also have a bunch of different ways that you can sync up all of your information. So the module section is where we can input specific type of data that we want to aggregate. So if we want to just upload our contacts, we can have a module for contacts. If we want to upload any of our orders, we can have a module for orders. This section is where we're going to be connecting our data that will be uploaded into the contacts. And then at the bottom is where we can actually synchronize that data across all the different apps. So I've got a lot of my contacts within High Level. So if I wanted to, I could take my contacts from here. I'm going to put this into a new space. We'll call this space High Level Julian Sage. We can share this with everybody that's on my team. If we want, we can merge records. So if there's duplicates within the data, it'll just consolidate it for us. So here it's where it's similar to the Zapier or make type function. So we could do something like get a contact, and then we're going to create a connection, and then we can connect our High Level account. If you've ever used Make before, this is going to be the same function, but what we're going to be doing is pulling the data into Boostspace, and that way we can have all the data aggregated into one place, and then we can use these different types of integrations to be able to sync data between all of the different tools. Are you paying every month for a VPN service? Well, with this tool, you can pay one time and never have to pay for a VPN again. This tool is called GooseVPN, and it is just a VPN service, but the nice thing is that it is a lifetime deal, so you can purchase a VPN service for as low as $29, and there's 106 reviews on this tool. It's a lifetime deal. When you log into the tool, you just go down to the download section, and then you can download the app for whatever workstation you're going to be on. I think that this is a really nice find because I've been paying for NordVPN for quite a few years, but with this tool, I can just cut out my NordVPN subscription and just use GooseVPN instead. So you can see, because I'm not using a VPN right now, it's showing all of my public information. So all we need to do is, once we've downloaded it, is to log into the app. We can click down here and it will automatically connect us if we want. If we select this button, we can choose whatever server we want to connect to. So let's say the US, and then there's a big button that we could press. And then whenever we're ready, we can just select the big button in the center. And then just like that, it says that we're connected. If I refresh this page, it's now showing a new location and new IP address. So very simple, and can save you the money if you didn't want to pay for one of those other premium VPN subscriptions. If you like this deal roundup and want to see other great business software deals, then watch this video next.